Whoopsies, time to go. Ta-da. Okay, good morning, America. I'm now back in Connecticut for about 30 hours before I go to Ireland. I can't believe I'm saying that, actually. Like, I can because I booked the trip, so I know. But I'm going to Ireland tomorrow night, and I have a lot to do, including repack. And so I'm starting off with a little run. I need to go on a little run this morning. I think I'm only going to do like a quick 2 miles because I have so many like errands and stuff to do. Now, yeah, I'm going to run. I have a few errands, and we're going to have a great day and just prepare for tomorrow and my trip that I'm so excited for. My father has already texted me and said, I need updates every day. I said, Big Mike, of course. I think he said, updates every day, ... because I said so. Like, I was going to question that. Like, Big Mike, you're seeing it all anyway. So, yeah, let's go on a run, I guess. It's actually beautiful out now. Not super hot. I was able to run 3 days when I was in Naples. But I also woke up at like 6 in the morning to run when I was in Naples because obviously it gets like ridiculously hot and I did not want to be sweating my ass off. So let's go kill this little 2-mile fiasco. It's a little warmer than I anticipated. But that's okay. Because we're done. I'm going to go run these few errands. Oh my goodness. Today's the day! Anyway, I need to go on a 4-mile run. Or I don't need to, but I want to go on a 4-mile run before I finish packing and leave. Yeah, I'm going on a run right now. 4 miles, because I also want to be as tired as possible come my flight. So I can sleep as much as possible. This is actually going to be a crazy transition. 6 hours. Wow. Won't lie, in the middle of the night, I woke up because of my fucking cat. And had a little bit of a holy shit. Like, what am I doing today? We're chilling now, though, okay? But yeah, I need to go run and I need to fucking shower because my hair is gross. So let's go do all that. All right, so I only ran 3 miles. Sue a girl. Yeesh. But I got my dragon fruit because I'm in the mood for one. And then I got my favorite coffee, which is like coconut brown sugar. Iced latte. Oh my gosh, so good. All right, now we're going home to finish packing. My friend is dying for me to watch the new Summer House so we can debrief it. So, got a great day ahead of me. So, let's continue on. Here's where we're at. I have the list of the last few things I need to pack, which is a few. I did that. Okay. Just charging my headphones again. This is for my camera. Perfect. My beauty bag for my carry-on. This has like my medications, my eye mask. It has a lot of crap. Oh, it has my anti jet lag stuff, tissues, hand sanitizer, because why? Because people are gross. Oh, hair clip. Yeah, got it all in there. I got rid of the leather jacket because I would only wear that if I were gonna like go out at night. But I have a different jacket instead. Portable charger, very necessary. Adapter, outlet adapter, also necessary. I have all my snacky doos in here. Thrilled about that. This is the other like coat that I'm bringing. It's a Banana Republic. It's lined. It's navy. It's got buttons. It's nice, and it's nice and warm. Ta-da! Let's see. Oh, my toothbrush retainer stuff. Let me grab that. Okay. Going in the carry-on. I also, this is kind of fancy schmancy of me, I'm packing face masks for my flight. Everyone recommended these. That's what we're going to go for. They're the Biodance Hydroceranol Facial Sheet Mask. Real deep mask. Soothing, moisturizing, nourishing. Fire. I think I'm good. Truthfully, what else do I have to pack? Headphones are charging. All chargers. I can grab that. Cameras. Because after I shower, I'm going to pack my razor. That's the last thing I have to pack, like, for that. So, yeah. I'm kind of good in the hood. This is what we're working with. This is my big chunky sweater from Ireland that someone gave me a very, very, very long time ago. My like pajamas, I have my cardigans, I have my raincoat, I have my umbrella in here. This is obviously all underwear, socks. This is my one workout outfit, my bras, skincare, makeup, shower stuff, moisturizer, shower stuff, hair curling iron, umbrella. I have my boots in there. I also packed my little Keds. Where are they? Here they are. My white Keds are under there, and then I'm wearing my On Clouds to the airport. So this is what she looks like. And I have about 10 pounds to spare for shopping purposes in my checked bag. So that's good because we all know I like to shop. Nice sweaters. Got a few dinner outfits. Should be good. Should be good in the hood. I'm excited. Okay, I'm about to board. My passport. Oh, hello. That's not correct. I have my passport. I have my ticket, and I had a glass of wine at one bars. I'm about to board because I need to, and then I'm gone. Okay, I have made it. And I got my luggage, so that's a good start. I have the Dublin Express booked to take me to my hotel. We'll see if I can figure it out. I'm sure I will be able to. Customs, I don't need to go to customs, I need to go to exit. Okay. This is doable. I can do this. I can do this. Because I can do hard things. Okay, good news. People are really friendly. Bad news, I'm a little cold, but it is 5 a.m. But the bus should be here any second. Oh, I forgot I put my ear seats on. Those will push. And yeah, I get to take the next bus out. Okay, I made it to my hotel. I just want to kind of freshen up and I want to change, makeup. Just freshen up before I go out and see the world.